Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today we are talking about the Lisk Q2 American Tether, and today is Wednesday 14th of the September 2022. We are trading at the Zonda cryptocurrency exchange. This is the daily time frame chart of the Lisk, and we can clearly see here a ready-made scenario for the situation that has been developing for the whole summer. Since the June 2022, we've been trading inside of a kind of a narrow range between 0.85 to 1.33, with occasional spikes towards 1.56 with a high of 1.69. Those levels here, as you can see, are the key long-term technical support levels that now of course became a resistance. So the market has been trying to break above these two levels. Occasionally it spiked up, okay, but the close was very low and far away from the spike high. So we can say that the bears are still very active between those two levels here. So we might consider this zone as a supply zone. Now, what's been going on here inside of this tight consolidation? As you can see, the volatility has been very big, but the liquidity is well, a little bit subdued. However, we still managed to test the 1.33 level a couple of times before going again lower towards 1 Tether. Now this zone is being a little bit squished, right? This zone is very tight, very narrow, and I expect this spike here, which is of course occasional spike. The market is building a wedge, and usually the breakout from the wedge is in the direction of the main trend, and again, the main trend on the Lisk is down. So what we should expect is a breakout from this wedge after this squeeze it will be so strong that the market will trigger the move to the downside. Of course, the target is right now unknown, so this is only the scenario arrow pointing to the downside. We surely should break below 0.85, so this is not the target for a breakout out of the wedge. The target is much lower, because this is a free month for now, 3 month consolidation or 3 month wedge. So it's the breakout, if you wanted to measure it, right, the breakout would be roughly around, let's say this is the biggest, let's take the average 75%, right? This is the spike of 75%. So if we take this kind of a relation to this breakout, so let's say from the lower zone, 75% is around, let's say here, and that level is at around 0.23. So if we spike, if the technical measure from this spike, not even from this, because if we consider the higher spike, of course, like this one, and let's say, okay, let's do this. Okay, so that's 98. So that's even worse. All right, so we would go almost to zero. However, if we will apply the technical measure of let's say 75% from the bottom of the range, that's somewhere around 0.23, 0.23. So that would be then the target for the breakout. Technical target, once again, this is only the target projection, right? It doesn't mean it will get there. It's just the target projection. Some of the technical traders measure this range from the last local high before the breakout. So in that situation, if you measure it like that, okay, target is 0.53. However, I would like to leave it with the classical way of measuring things. 0.23 is the target for the next 3 months, of course. Let's say if we will get the price and time geometry, right? So 1-to-1, 100% move here, to the upside, 100% move to the downside, and the time is, well, it's like 3 to 4 months from now. So by the end of the by the end of the year, of course, the Lisk market should be worth around 0.23 tether if this of course analysis is correct. So far so good. Let's see whether this kind of scenario will be manifested soon on the Lisk market. So that's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.